Hello everyone. I am so glad you have joined me today. This is our last week of masculine cards. So I have a fun idea today. I'm using the Timeless Charm stamp set, and I'm specifically using this image, this image, this image, and this image. I am using Old Olive ink and Soft Seafoam ink. I am using some of the brushed metallic adhesive back dots. I don't know if I will be using which color. It just depends on what I like when I put it together. All right, for your card kit, you're going to need a piece of soft seafoam that's 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. You need a piece of the Subtle's Soft Seafoam collection, and I use the slash one. I don't know what else to call it. You need a piece of Old Olive that's 3 by 4.5, and you need a piece of white that's 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. So pause the screen, cut your cardstock, and let's craft together. I'm going to move this out of the way. My pieces aren't sticking anymore. And I'm going to start with my piece of white and my soft seafoam. Now I am going to pull in a scrap because I may need to off stamp this. I'm not positive. I want it light. So we'll see when I do this how it works. Well, it's really light. Oop, I think I need to ink this up again. Give me a minute. Okay, my pad was very juicy, or very thirsty. Let's see if this is better. Yes, I just have to be careful. That's better. I've got that one spot there. I don't know why it's doing that. All right, well, we're going to go. All right, so I'm going to stamp this one here. Then I'm going to get this other little one, or half-size one, and I'm going to stamp that one there. Woohoo! Boy, that one is really got some strange in it. I'm going to go back to the big one. Maybe the stamp's made that way because it's not making any sense to me. And there I have it. So there's my soft seafoam pieces. I can put that away, get rid of this. And now I'm going to use my Old Olive, and I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to stamp it like so. All right, then I'm going to go to this one, and I'm going to turn it sideways just because I can get to it better. Then that one, and then this last one. All right, so we have our pieces stamped. Now let's get our card put together. I'm going to pull in my piece of Old Olive, and this is going to go on there. Okay. And I'm going to pull this out, put this down. All right, let's put the rest of our card together here. And I need my bone folder. Okay, this piece is going to go on here. This card is done in landscape, not portrait. So something to think about when you're looking for your DSP All right. I'm going to put this layer on with dimensionals. So I've got that there. It slipped on me. All right, there we go. Now we got dimensionals on the back of this. So let me get some cut. All right. Here's that one. And I'm just going to cut all the way across this strip. And then you can save your strip for using it for little tiny pieces, like stems and things like that. All right, got that. Now, I need one here, and I need, get rid of some of that. I need this one here. Get these out of the way. And this last one down here. All right. Let me take my backs off. I have a trash can over here to the side of me, but I always end up with those dimensional backs all over the place. Do you have that problem too? Now you put this on, make sure you watch the direction you're putting it on. You don't want to put it on upside down. Okay, so I have that. All right, and now time for the gems. And let's see which ones. That's interesting. They almost look green. I think I'm going to use those. I hardly ever use these but they look green when you put them on there, don't they? So, good thing to keep in mind. Make it look green. And I should be using my other piece that has tons of these, because I've used all the others up. And there's another masculine idea for you. And I use the same idea to decorate the inside and the envelope. Great way to give it a little bit of pizzazz. What do you think of this color combination? Soft seafoam and old olive is a very pretty combination. Might want to play with it a little bit for a guy card. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support of my channel. Make sure you've clicked that button to subscribe. Have a sensational Sunday. Bye.